Most people using AI video tools are doing it wrong. They type a prompt, cross their fingers, and hope the AI somehow reads their mind. And 9 times out of 10, the result looks nothing like what they imagined. That's not an AI problem. That's a workflow problem. And that's exactly what TopView Canvas fixes. It's the world's first storyboard-first AI video tool, where you plan your video visually on an infinite canvas before generating a single frame. Think of it like Figma, but for AI video creation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from a raw idea all the way to a finished studio quality product ad. Let's get into it. After clicking the link in the description, you'll land on TopView Canvas, and straight away, you can create videos across multiple categories like ads, e-commerce, film, UGC, and more. You do have a prompt box here, just like any other AI tool, but here's what makes TopView Canvas different. Instead of just blindly typing a prompt and hoping for the best, it gives you an infinite canvas where you can actually plan, design, and craft your video visually before generating anything. It's honestly like working in Figma, but for AI video creation. So let's try it out. Here you can see all your previous projects, but let's start fresh. Click Start Creating. You're immediately greeted by a clean, minimal, dark UI. And on the right side, you've got your AI agent. This thing will take even your simplest idea and help you turn it into a studio quality video. And this is the canvas. This is where all the storyboarding and planning happens before you even touch video generation. Now this is the AI agent interface. Right away, it gives you a set of ready-made options to kick things off. And of course, if you have your own idea or category in mind, just type it right here. We're going to try making a product ad video. And as you can see, the agent has automatically written a short prompt to get things started. Now it'll begin brainstorming and ask you a few questions about your product. For the first point, give it as much accurate information as you can. The more detail you provide, the better the output. You can also upload a few images of your product as visual reference, which really helps. And for the second point, it's already generated a list of content styles for you to choose from, so you can pick whatever style fits your vision. You've got full flexibility here. First, let's generate a product image using the AI Image tab. Of course, if you have your actual product, then just use its pictures from different angles. I'm just using a prompt from ChatGPT for generating the image. Change the model to Nano Banana Pro and hit Generate. Here's the image it generated, and it's actually pretty good. Now, let's feed this image into the AI agent, along with all the details about our product and the style we want the ad to be generated in. Once you're done, just hit Enter. After that, it'll generate you a complete script, every single second, perfectly planned out. From the hook all the way to the outro. We're talking visual storyboarding, voiceover, scene structure. Everything is laid out for you. All you need to do is read through it and approve it. And if there's anything you want to tweak or change, just type it into the agent and it'll update instantly. It's that simple. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, just hit Enter again and we move to the next step. And before it throws everything onto the canvas, it gives you one final draft to review. Right here you can see exactly how your video will be structured. It's basically showing you the full blueprint before a single frame gets generated. And again, if anything needs changing, just tell the agent right here. Once you're good, hit OK and watch it all come to life. And this is how the first frame of our ad is going to look. Not happy with something? Just type in the changes you want and the agent will fix it instantly. But honestly, I think this looks great, so I'm just going to hit OK and proceed. It'll then generate the first frames for all the other scenes, keeping the style, lighting, and visual identity consistent throughout, so your entire ad feels like it was shot in one session, not pieced together from random prompts. Once you're done tweaking, hit OK. The agent will now write a detailed prompt for every single scene, all laid out on the canvas for you, and all you have to do is hit the Generate button for each scene, select your model, aspect ratio, quality, and timing. That's it. The heavy lifting is already done, and our first scene is ready. Let's watch it together.
The future doesn't wait, it moves. The future doesn't wait, It moves.
That's impressive. The zoom felt completely natural, the sound effect was spot on, and it executed exactly what we planned in the storyboard. Like, it actually listened. That's the difference between storyboard first generation and just blindly typing a prompt. Now I'll go ahead and generate the remaining scenes the same way. This part is straightforward. Just hit generate on each scene and let TopView do its thing. Alright, all of our scenes are ready. Now, in TopView Canvas, what you can do is add all these scenes to a timeline right here, and to do that, simply click on this Add to Timeline option on each scene, and you will have all of them right here. And if the order doesn't feel right, just drag and rearrange until it does. You're the director here. Once you're happy with everything, hit the Export button. From there, you can bring it into DaVinci Resolve for those final touches, music, transitions, sound effects, the stuff that takes it from good to great. And here's the final result.
The future doesn't wait. It moves. Engineered with a carbon fiber energy return sole. Adaptive cushioning, designed for peak performance and everyday wear. Ultra lightweight. Ultra breathable. AirX V1. Step into the future.